Welcome back to Byte Mentor, your go-to channel for tech enthusiasts. In this video, we are diving deep into the world of ChatGPT and exploring 7 powerful prompts that will help you conquer ChatGPT like a pro. Whether you are seeking tips and tricks, cheat sheets, Twitter thread ideas, or assistance in decision making, these prompts will unlock the full potential of ChatGPT. You can find all these prompts in video's description. Let's start with it. Prompt 1. Get tips and tricks. Let's start with the get tips and tricks prompt. Imagine you need quick and concise tips on specific topic. Simply ask ChatGPT to give you tips on the topic in few words, and it will provide you with valuable insights to level up your knowledge. Prompt 2. Generate cheat sheet. Next up, we have the generate cheat sheet prompt. Need a handy reference guide? Just ask ChatGPT to write a cheat sheet for any topic you desire, and it will compile a comprehensive and concise cheat sheet perfect for quick reminders and information at your fingertips. Prompt 3. Twitter thread ideas. Are you looking to create engaging and detailed Twitter threads? The Twitter thread idea prompt is ready to help. Ask ChatGPT to generate an interesting Twitter thread with a specific number of tweets on any topic you choose. And don't forget to add relevant examples to make your thread more captivating. Prompt 4. Summary and highlights of complex topic. Sometimes you come across complex text that needs simplification. With the summary and highlights of complex topic prompt, ChatGPT can summarize a given text and extract key highlights in simple language. Just paste the text after writing this prompt, and ChatGPT will provide you with summary and important points to grasp the essence of the topic. Prompt 5. Language test preparation. If you are preparing for a language test, ChatGPT can be your ultimate study companion. Simply use the language test preparation prompt and specify the test name and your target language. ChatGPT will curate a list of the top online resources with direct links to help you excel in your language test preparation. Prompt 6. Brainstorm ideas. Need fresh and creative ideas for an assignment or project? ChatGPT has got you covered with the Brainstorm ideas prompt. Tell ChatGPT about your topic and it will suggest exciting and innovative ideas to guide your assignment or project with new perspectives and originality. Prompt 7. Decision making. Finally, we have the decision making prompt. When faced with a challenge decision, ChatGPT can assist you. Whether you are pondering if you should start a particular business or not, ask ChatGPT for a list of pros and cons related to that topic. It will present you with valuable insights to facilitate your decision-making process. That's it for today. Subscribe to Byte Mentor and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest tech tutorials and insights.